Hello everyone, welcome to Groupboss version 4 tutorial video. Our Facebook lead generation tool lets you collect unlimited leads from your Facebook groups. Now let's demonstrate the lead collection process with the new version, as we have already shown you the working procedure for setting up Google Spreadsheet and the autoresponder. Let's collect the members' data. From your Facebook group homepage, go to the Member Request section. If the Approved by Groupboss button is not available yet, just refresh the page. You can see that the Approved by Groupboss button has appeared. Also, the Approve All by Groupboss button is available at the top. You can see there is the flexibility to sort out the request based on several criteria and either accept it or decline it. Don't get stressed if the button doesn't appear right away. Sometimes it takes time to load due to network connection or any other issue. However, eventually the Approved by Groupboss button appears. You can see the Google Sheet headers have also been changed. So we're done with all the setup. Let's approve an individual who has answered all the questions and check the Google spreadsheet. Here it is. You can see the data has been loaded. Let's also check the email marketing autoresponder. Here we are on the MailerLite subscribers page. Refresh the page. You can see the data has also been loaded here. Remember that you can also find the lead data in the Groupboss dashboard. Select the Facebook group in the dialog box and filter it to Today. You can see that the person's data has been automated here. So this was all. And this is the whole procedure of collecting data with the new Groupboss version 4.